In the red, Ana Luciano. Dalia Garibay in the blue. .68 kilograms right away, Luciano. Strikes first, under 20 seconds. Looking for a turn, not gonna get it. They're gonna call back to the feet. And there's a headshot by Garibay, and she gets on the board. So going back and forth right now, takedown each. Only 42 seconds in, but each wrestler showing that she can score takedowns. Luciano has that 2-on-1. And there's a nice carry. See if she can score off of it. She does. There's 2 points and another turn. So it goes right from 2-2 to 6-2. We'll see if she can sink back and get the fall. The mat official called for it, and they're gonna get it. Ana Luciano, your winner, by fall after leading 6-2. So we'll see her in the 68 kilogram finals tomorrow morning. Moving up. A lot different